this is the assignment for 10-2 for this week. So I am going to show you how to get started on that. So this is week 13. And I'm going to come down here to 10-2. And I'm going to open up my instructions in MindTap. And then I'm also going to open Microsoft Word. Let's see if I can get to that on my screen here. Let's see here. So I've got my instructions here, and I've got my word window here. I'm going to put side by side so that I can work on it at the same time. So now I have this open, and our instructions is going to tell us that okay, so what we're going to do here is, down here it tells us our instructions right here, okay? So we're going to create a table in Microsoft Word, and we're going to include columns for the country, city, index name, and see also. So that tells us we have 4 headings, or 4 columns. So I'm going to create a table with 4 columns. And if we count these records right here, we know we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so we're going to create a table. So we go here to Insert Table, and we want 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, and let's go all the way to the end. We can add more as we go. So our headings are going to be country, city, index name, and see also. So now what we do is we come over here and find the country, like Italy, USA, France, New Zealand. See some that are doubled. So, and what we need to do is put those in alphabetical order. Okay, so let's look at A's. So we've got Austria once, twice. So we're going to come in here for Austria. And we've got 2 cities. We've got Innsbruck and Kitzbühel. So we know that I is going to come before okay. And we'll go ahead and put the name. Okay. And now let's come in here and put the next one. And then now we're going to go B, C, D, E, F. So France is going to be the next 2 because we have 2 of those. And we have this France and this France. So because they both have the same city, then we have to go to the index name. So we've got Overlook and we've got Alpine. So we know that Alpine is going to come first. Okay. So we're going to go France. That one is Overlook College. Okay. So I'm getting you started here. So you just kind of see how to finish the rest of these. If you get here and you need another row, just click in this last box and press the tab key, and you can get as many rows as you want. Okay. So so now we need to look at the see also. So for Austria, the very first one, what we're looking at is the index name. If we have more than we have two companies that are named the same thing, that are in two different locations, we put a C also. So for instance, Ski High Resort and Spa. Let's see if we have another one. Ski High Resort and Spa in Austria, and we've got one in New Zealand right there. Okay? So over here we're going to put New Zealand. Hold on. Because doing geographical storage is by location, and you're going to go from major to minor. So country will always be your first. Unless you don't have a country, you go to state. If you don't have a state, then you go to city. The index name is last. So country is going to be your first, kind of like a key unit. Okay, so we've got those two. Now let's look at France. Alpine Ski Village, and we should have another one here. Let's see, Alpine Ski Village right here. The first one, right there. Okay, so we need to put over here. Okay, so that is your table. You're going to have two more cross-references because you're going to cross-reference New Zealand with Austria in book. Once you get that put in here. So then once you complete your table, you're going to save your table, and I'm just going to put mine on the desktop for now. I'm going to name it 10-2 Polish. Just coming in. Okay, and then in my tab, I'm just going to go up here, and this says choose file. I'm going to go in and find my documents. 10-2. Okay. So we do make sure I've got it on the desktop. Desktop, 10-2 Parish. Now it's going to pop up. So there it is. And I'm going to attach it. So now I see that it's attached, and I'm going to submit it for grading. Okay. Submit for grading. And it's done. So hope that helps you with that. If you have any questions, let me know. I will have a study hall today from 12 to 2.